Hi, this is Sarah Fayez and you're watching Sarah's Tips. Today I'm going to show you the easiest recipe for a homemade strawberry ice cream and on the same time no compromise on the taste. The ingredients used: a handful of strawberries, 1.5 cup of heavy whipping cream, quarter cup of full fat milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, half cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. First we need to blend the strawberries along with sugar and a pinch of salt. Then add vanilla essence. Now we can add the remaining ingredients: 1.5 cup of heavy whipping cream and quarter cup of full fat milk, and then blend it for a few seconds. Here I'm going to use a KitchenAid ice cream maker. Once it's ready and spinning, you can add the mixture, and we need to let it churn for at least 20 to 25 minutes, and then ice cream will be ready. Once the ice cream is ready, we can turn off the ice cream maker and then transfer the ice cream to an airtight container, and we can store it in the freezer. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe and share.